Yo, what's up, everyone? Before I start my wrestling vid all across the entire world, subscribe if you're new, share the vid, push the bell, and the good old like. Okay, this is the public enemy against the pitbulls in a double dog collar match at ECW's Enter the Sandman. And the main event was between the public enemy versus the pitbulls in a double dog collar match. The match starts now for the ECW World Tag Team Championship belts. The match starts now. They went back and forth and a couple of maneuvers, and the public enemy defeated the pitbulls to be the new ECW World Tag Team Championships at ECW's Enter the Sandman. Peace.